going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike's Money Tips. Coming at you with a quick video to let you know how you can make some quick money just clicking buttons on your computer screen, searching around, doing what you're probably already doing anyway. So, you know, if y'all stick around to the end, I'll show you a little secret tidbit that, might be some good for you. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know whenever I come out with videos, because I'm uploading 3 times a week. Sometimes I'll throw in a little extra in between, you never know, and you won't know if you don't hit the bell. So if you like what you hear, hit the like button, let me know what's going on. Anyway, let's get started. Basically what we're going to do, go over here to Google, type in rapid workers, just like I have here. Click on it. Here it's going to come bring it up right here. First one on the list. Don't go looking any farther than that. Just rapid workers, okay? What you do, you click on it, it'll take you here. This is the website. At this website you get paid for tasks that are quick, simple projects, lower cost, employees are fulfilled, workers are happy. Most of all, it's simple. It really is. It pays out to PayPal. Super simple. Not a big deal. Here you have a list here that shows, vote for this video's 10 cents for 1 minute. You get $1.50 for a 5-minute insurance sign up form. I know not everybody's gonna want to do that. I don't want to do that. So, but it's $1.50, so you can make good money doing that one. You got 39 cents here. Upload 5 photos to the site. YouTube vote on a video for 10 cents. Just anyway, what you do, click here, click for sign up on this, right? And it'll take you to this window. Well, if it loads here. As you see, you put in your name, your email, your password, and then your country. Whatever you do, put in your actual country. I believe every country is on here. I believe. If not, I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do about it. But it pays out in PayPal. It's not nothing major. It's not no big money. We all know this, right? And as you see right here, it says using VPN, multiple accounts, or doing other country jobs that you're not from will get you banned. So whatever y'all do, sign up with the proper country. Because if you sign up with the proper country, they're not going to care. They're just going to let you do what you're supposed to do. Okay? So after you do this, it'll take you to this right here. It's going to say your account's created. Check your inbox. Whatever website in which you gave it to, right? And then they're going to send you an email that looks like this. It's going to say rapid workers, give you your link, everything else. And then it'll send you back to this page right here when you click on that link. And here you can either create a job for people to come check out your video, like your video, comment on your video, whatever else you need in order to get ranked. Or, like I'm showing here, how to make money, you go to list, I believe that's right, maybe not. Okay, hold on. It may not let me because I forgot to hit that I'm not a robot. Told you. Give me a second. Well, I didn't. Now, click I'm not a robot. Come on. There we go. Submit. There you go. As you see, I just logged in and done this morning, which is fine. But as you can see, available jobs. Here we go. It finally loaded. Take a survey, get paid 40 cents for 3 minutes. 2 minutes, 20 cents. American Android phone users. Yes, save it. It never will. See, I wouldn't do this as only 35 cents for 13 minutes. That's a long time for 35 cents. But you know, submit email and earn money. Sign up for 50 cents. International here. Easy test. Download text file for 10 cents. Simple sign up. As you can see, most everything's 10, 20 cents. You got some here that's like 84 cents here. Download browser, keep installed. Faster than Chrome, supposedly, whatever. Here's one for 65 cents. Don't really say what it is. Let's click on it to see. And we can look and see what it is together. I don't know. What's suspected? I don't know. We'd have to click that link, and I'm not going to do that right now. My computer's running too slow. So, anyway, you know, click and search for 3 cent, 3 cent. Vidin signing up for 25 cents. But as you can see, you can make money doing this, right? Well, you can get money sent into your PayPal account to do this and make some extra money. What you need to do with that extra money is turn around and invest it in something else. This was never going to get you to quit your job. If you check out the first link in the description, it will take you to my #1 recommended service that will help you learn how to make anywhere, I'd say between $100 to $1,500 a day. You can make more than that, but I'm just being realistic. Most of the time it's between $100 and $150 a day. I mean, I've seen there's people that's in the program that's making $1 million plus a year. So I mean, it's very possible. So, you know, with that being said, as always, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I come out with a new video.